Hi, hello. Welcome to Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions Coimbatore. So this is the new product that we are launching. So that is 48 volt 250 watts bicycle conversion kit, hub motor conversion kit. Either you can use it as a e-bicycle or else you can use it as a old TVS 50 or Excel Super. You can convert this vehicle, you can convert this up to 16 inch or whatever may be the rim size. So one small two-wheeler that you can make according to this kit. So this is the 48 volt 250 watts hub motor kit. So especially we are not having, previously we have cycle kit of 36 volt 350 watts and 36 volt 250 watts. Recently we make 24 volt also. For 48 volt, this is the first time we are giving this to the market. So you can make use of this kit. Either you can use it in your bicycle, or else you can convert your smallest, like TVS 50 or Excel Super, you can convert. Not for scooty kind of applications. Scooty kind of applications, the 10-inch hub motor only recommended. For this, the small, actually the battery scooters are coming in the market, or maximum of 250 to 350 watts. So this motor they can put it and they are selling around 50 to 60,000 that you are buying actually. So actually the ICAT approved is mainly for up to 250 watts, they are providing the ICAT approval. So you can use this kit as of your bicycle, as well as you can use it in your smallest Excel Super or whatever may be the smallest vehicle that you have. Okay. And for DIY projects, college projects, so you can fit this motor and you can use it accordingly. Okay. Uh, so this is the main thing that we are giving: 48 volt 250 watts e-bicycle conversion hub motor kit. Okay. So these are all the total accessories it is coming along with this kit that we are unboxing. So I will clearly explain you first what all the accessories is coming. Second thing, connection, how to make the connection. Third thing, we will test, we will give the acceleration and test for the maximum speed. See, the specialty of this kit I have forgotten to tell. Actually in the later on you can see the actual speed is achieved. We are giving 48 volt input to this hub motor, and we can achieve the maximum speed of 46 to 47 kilometers we can achieve in this hub motor. So that is what the specialty of this model. Okay, you can go ahead for this model. You can make use of, you can watch our video fully, then only you can identify what are all the things that we are going to explain. Okay, so kindly subscribe to our channel, then only we can provide you more videos. Now let step on to the video. So this is the hub motor. It is coming from 48 volt 250 watts of motor. In the side, this is a SS kind of motor, SS purely SS copper winding motor, coming with 6 inch. Okay, the total of the size of the hub will be 6 inch. Okay, you can either convert it into 17 inch or 16 inch according to the your vehicle. Okay, it's having the holes, you can fit it, the spokes, you can fit these spokes kind of things. Okay, so this is the motor coming with SS coated pure copper winding hub motor. Second thing, we are giving the Ketan brand. In the many videos you can see in the Scooty Activa kind of applications, we are using this controller, same controller that we are using for this kit also. Okay, it's coming with Ketan brand. The rated voltage will be 48/60, rated power 1800 to 1000 watts, maximum current 30 ampere. Okay, so the same controller that we are using here also. So this is what the added advantage of this hub motor actually. Okay, first one, the hub motor. Second one, the Scooty controller. Third thing, will be the power key switch we are providing along with this kit. Fourth thing, we will give you 3-speed with forward reverse throttle. Okay. Fifth item, we are giving converter. Okay, converter that we are giving to convert it into 12 volt, 48 to 12 volt. We can use this. This one will be the battery charger. You can connect with your lithium ion battery. You can connect this. This is the 5-pin connector. You can connect the motor and the controller. For this we are using. And one other thing, we are giving this remote key switch, remote lock. For security purpose, we are giving this an additional. So for this you can remotely access from the short distance. Okay, and any theft also it can be identified. Anti-theft alarm also there. If anyone doing wrongly with your two-wheeler, you can get a theft alarm also. So this is the total. The only thing we can give you the additional the speedometer. For our demo purpose we have connected this, so we are not including the speedometer in the kit. So if you want, you can buy it an extra. Okay, for the video purpose we are for testing the speed, we are providing the speedometer. So for the kit we are not giving the speedometer. If you want, you can buy it an extra. Okay. So now coming to the connection, let's move on to the connection. So this is the overall idea, that we are giving the whole kit as one package and we are selling. Okay. So next thing, we coming to the connection part. As usual, from the motor there is one wire is coming out. It is meant of two separate connections. One is the 5-pin connections. From the controller you can see the connector, and this wire is connected to according to the color code, red to red, green to green, black to black, yellow to yellow, green to green. Okay, so this connector. And second thing will be the three wires, that is 3 different colors as usual na. It is coming blue, yellow and green is connected to blue, yellow and green. Okay, and coming to the power key switch, one wire is directly coming from supply. So this is what the supply for this this black and red will be the supply input to the controller and as well as motor. We are interconnected here. Okay, this is the 48 volt input is going on with this these pins. So for the power key switch there is 2 wires are there. So first wire is going to red input to the key switch. Okay, first thing that is coming from red wire, that is input to 48 volt, and another wire, out wire, is going to this orange color pin of the controller. One end to the orange and another one to the speedometer power connection. Speedometer red. See, in the speedometer we have usually 3 connections. Red will be the supply, green will be the negative, that is ground point, and the black one will be the output. So for this orange color wire is going to red color input to the speedometer. Okay, so coming to the throttle usually having 3 set of wires, one for acceleration, second one for 3-speed, and third one for forward reverse. Okay, first we can see the acceleration. The acceleration pin will be the green, black and red is connected to accordingly, green to green, black to black, red to red. Okay, throttle. And coming to the 3-speed, we having pink to blue and black to white and brown to brown. Okay, and coming to the forward reverse, this blue to violet, black to yellow. Okay, this is the 3 speed. Coming to the speedometer, red is coming from the orange. As usual, I am telling this green wire will be, it is directly going to negative this black wire, and the output is going to, from the black we can take the output, and this is directly connected to, from controller there is pink wire with a green top will be there, you can connect accordingly. Okay, remaining you can put it as so these are all the things that we are required to run the motor. Okay, now let's turn on and let's move on to the next section for the demo. Okay, now let's turn on the power key and see the speedometer. The speedometer, you have the voltage of 48.6 volt input. We are giving input to the 48 volt to this speedometer. So now the input is showing here. So now let's giving the acceleration and test how much speed it can be achieved with this hub motor. Okay, from the first speed I put 3 speed with forward reverse. So this is having the speciality, we can first time you can use this hub motor in reverse mode also. Okay, so that is what the added advantage of this kit. So for coming to the first speed, and we can accelerate and giving the acceleration, it can slowly run. This is the very smooth hub motor, no noise is coming. The first speed itself we can getting 36 volt. See the smoothing of the speed. The inputs, the output should be maximum. I have raised the acceleration, can getting 36 volt, 36 km per hour in the first speed itself. So this is what the miracle happens in this cycle kit. So in the hub motor, maximum the 6 inch, in the 36 volt 350 watts, maximum speed you can achieve 35 to 40. For this first speed itself, we can getting around 36 km. So that is what the added advantage. So maximum second speed we can put and we can test. The second speed we can slightly giving the acceleration. You can see the motor is rotating without any noises, it can rotate. It is a pure copper winding motor. So now let's see the speed actually. So it can achieve maximum 47 kilometers actually. So this is what the miracle happens. In the cycle hub motor we can achieve 47 kilometers as the maximum speed in the no load condition. The second speed we can get 47 kilometers as the maximum output. The very smooth, we can giving the full acceleration. Now let's check for the third speed also, we can achieve the same speed as the kit we have noticed previously. The third speed also, maximum speed we can achieve 47 kilometers we can achieve. See, the motor speed will be the very smoothing, you can easily identify. Now the speed will be 47 kilometers per hour. We are giving maximum 1.3 kilometer in the acceleration, we can giving the full speed. You can easily identify. The voltage will be 48.5 input. Okay. So this is what I want to show it to you. The maximum speed we can achieve in this 48 volt 250 watts will be 47 km per hour. Okay. Now let's move on to the reverse also. We can put it in the reverse mode and we can giving the acceleration. So maximum you can see in the speedometer 20 km can be achieved in the reverse mode also. 19 to 20 kilometers. Okay. So this is what you can use it, this hub motor in forward and reverse direction also. Okay, so you can convert your vehicle to that is cycle to normal cycle to e-cycle within this kit, or also you can make one small two-wheeler that is handled by one person. You can also use it in that bike also. Okay, not in the scooty activa kind of things, we are not recommended. So one small two-wheeler you can make, and you can carry this motor, and you can ride with an fully electric. Okay, so many of the people are watching our video, kindly subscribe and watch. So that will help to we can launch the new kits, and you can see the latest video in our channel. So watch our video fully, kindly share to many people, so your friends, relative, everything, you can share, kindly share our video, so then only the people will know these kits are having these features, and many of the peoples are having the your old vehicle. It is a chance to convert your vehicle to a fully electrical vehicle. So if you want this kit, so kindly contact us, Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions, Coimbatore. Thank you. Thanks for watching.